Now we're ready for the last step, to set up the ping pong table. First, we have to place these protective pads at all four corners and in the middle of the table. All right, we're ready to do it. One piece at a time. You okay? They are heavy. I can lift them by myself, but not to place them on the table. It is full width. Okay. All right. Make sure this is. Yeah, that's pretty center.
Do we need to bring these out a little bit further so that the other one has some?
Yeah, let's get enough for both. Okay, pads. All right, number two.
Yeah.
I think you had the harder of the ends.
I'll give it a little shred.
All right.
Okay. Push. Overlaps the end of the table, but this one doesn't. So do we need to bring this one this way more?
Yeah, I think we should make it even to the ends. I got a little overlap. What do you got?
Right on the edge.
Push that edge this way a little bit. Line it up because we want to be playing fair. All right. Problem is now we need to put the dowels in, so I'll just move one of them this way. Let me change the camera position. Get enough of a separation to put those dowels in. You know, this fits so tight, I don't know if you even need those dowels for temporary playing. But let's give it a shot. You go in pretty easy. Keep it lined up anyway. That's slick. Now install the two net posts. This separates with this bolt to the width you need. I already got the width, but it's too tight here to slip underneath, so I'm gonna have to lift up the table just enough to slip it under. That's a little awkward. Gibby is running into the pad. Let me check that out. I'm gonna lift up the tabletop using this actually painter's stick, but it's a shim. See if I can get it, there we go. So you need something like that to hold it up while you put it in. Now it's cinched down, that should be good. To the other net. That shim does the trick. All right, install the net. Not sure what happened there. Nothing really to hold it full net, but I think that'll be good enough. Well, that's pretty tight. These are elastic. Let me move the camera over here so you can see it. Maybe I should raise that up on the other side, release the tension. It's better. There we go. Ready to play ping pong.